Welcome to another part of our Jamaican history. Now, as you see, this time of season when we talk a lot more about our culture and our culture and our history behind whatever. We're in the festive season coming on, getting close to our birthday. So, a lot of this going on, history, a lot of culture thing going on. So this is another part. We're gonna talk about the Jamaican coat of arms. I don't know, for some people, for me, I don't really notice it, but then there are times when you have to notice it, like now. Well, I'm noticing it now. Like the Jamaica coat of arms shows male and female member of the Taino tribe, Jamaican first inhabitant. The two-man picture the coat of arms. You got two persons standing. Okay. It says a shield. I remember the shield. 5 golden pineapple. Yeah, they're in the middle. Crocodile. I think the crocodile is a cross at the top. Crocodile is a cross. Royal helmet and mantles. Yeah, they have on the royal helmet. The Tainos stand on either side of the shield. Yeah, one here, one there. Both wearing a white feather skirt with a red waistband. Yeah, I remember that. The coat of arms was granted to Jamaica in 1661 on the royal warrant. Out of many, one people. I was wondering what they were thinking when they say out of many, one people. Okay, I think based on the population and multiracial roots. That's why they come with that. Out of many, one people. The pineapple. I'm sorry. The pineapple that we see on the on our coat of arms. The pineapple. It's called the indigenous fruit. That's what it means. The pineapple, the indigenous fruit. The Tainos has the first inhabitants of the country. These are the meaning. The crocodile, indigenous reptiles of the country. So everything has some form of history behind it. And it's a royal helmet and mantling. A unique distinction accorded to Jamaica by British. Yeah. So, as I said, in everything, we have some form of history behind it. Everything Jamaica have some form of history behind it. There's another thing I didn't get to show you. I remember telling you about tide, kata. In those days, kata. It's like you go to the bush, or when you go to the bush, or even when you go for carry water. You put the water upon your head, but you don't want to squeeze, so you use cutter. So you always have either your tired or something, and you make sure you make the cutter round, like this. This is the cutter. See the cutter here? And you put it on your head because you don't want to squeeze, and you go take the bucket or the hood and you put it on your head. So you remember them days? Yeah, remember them days? Some people even let it go. They're skillful. They walk with the bucket. Squeeze the water upon your head. You know them days there? And one more thing, I don't know if you remember. If those were the days when something maybe little cold in your throat, wet in your throat, and your parents say, or your grandmother or whosoever say, use the Vicks, man, use the Vicks. Take little Vicks. Put it over the lamp, the lamp light. And you put the Vicks on your finger, you put it over the light, forget over over the lampshade, forget little, make it warm up little, and you rub the throat, and you rub the nostril, you even put it on your pillow. Those days, yeah man, those days. If you like this video, thumbs up, like, thumbs up, share, thank you for sharing, subscribe to the thing, man. Them days there, better subscribe. Them days there, yeah man, them subscribe them days there. No, I joke, they don't subscribe, they didn't know about no subscribe them days there. Them just like up the thing. They just like up the thing. So you know something? Subscribe, like, share. No. Thanks for watching.